Hi everyone, my name is Shresha. I'm presenting my term project for the data structures class CSPB2270 for the fall semester of 2023. Um, so for this term project, I created a baby name generator program in C++ using Radix data tree structure, and so I just wanted to go with. So I have the README file. It has all the project overview, features, logic, uh, steps to execute and run it. Though I'll go through the execution uh, on this demo, but there are steps if it needs to be run, and then the struct is explained, the public member functions, the private member functions, the testing criterias. For example, if you put an invalid entry versus if you put a uppercase versus lowercase, those scenarios have already been counted into this program as of now. And definitely there can be huge enhancements added to this. That's also mentioned in part of the projects and the features. So I'm just going to do a quick run on the project and then walk through the CPP file. That's where my all the functions are written, and I think the two main functions are adding names to the data structure. So I need an empty Radix data tree. Use the files like boy names text and girl names text. Each one has 1,000 names each, uh, and then it basically reads these files into the Radix data structure using add name functions. And then I think when we run through the program, it asks for a boy or a girl depending on what the user inputs. It picks one of the Radix tree and then uses explore Radix tree algorithm to traverse through the rest of it. And as a part of the explore Radix tree, it seems we also have a random generator that is being used for the computer to pick a name randomly based on the starting letter input or based on the user inputs like the gender, the first letter, the second letter. So I'm just gonna uh, go to the main. Okay, I'm running the program. So the first input it asks is enter gender, boy or girl. So I'm gonna go for boy, and let's say it starts with A, lowercase. Second letter I put in capital A. So it seems like it automatically accounted for lowercase, capital case A, either way, and suggested the name Aaron. So if I generate it again and I go for boy, if I go A, A, it regenerated Aaron. Unless that's the only name. Now it came with Arav. So it's random generation. That was just a coincidence that it generated the same name twice. But uh, so due to the random generator, it automatically picks like, okay, if this is an end of name, and then based on the random generator, it decides, okay, should we stop here or move on with the next letter until we receive is the end of name tag with it. Um, so and then you can run it again. I'm gonna input a invalid character. So you see that it still keeps on asking, okay, enter something. So if I go girl and go A, so another name popped up. So that's my project. Thank you.